Hey there. Ever had some US dollars you wanted to deposit into your TD account? Maybe it's a birthday gift, cash from a trip, or you just got paid in a different currency. The question is, what's the best way to handle this? The short answer is, yes, you can deposit USD into a TD account, but the real question is which TD account you're depositing it into. This is where it gets interesting, because how you do it can have a big impact on your money. Let's break down the two main scenarios. First, you can deposit US dollars into a standard Canadian TD account. This is the most common situation for most people. When you do this, TD will automatically convert your US dollars into Canadian dollars at their current exchange rate. This is convenient, sure, but here's the key thing to remember: the exchange rate you get from the bank might not be the most favorable. Banks make a profit on these conversions, and that cost is built into the rate. This is where you can lose a bit of money without even realizing it. So, if your goal is to have Canadian dollars anyway, this is a fast and easy option, but be aware of the conversion fee. Now for the second scenario, which is a game changer if you deal with US currency often: depositing into a TD US dollar account. TD offers dedicated US dollar savings and checking accounts, which are specifically designed to hold US currency. When you deposit US dollars into one of these accounts, there's no conversion. The money stays in US dollars. This is a huge benefit if you want to save your USD for a future trip, an upcoming purchase in the US, or if you're a cross-border worker and want to keep your earnings in the currency you received them in. By using a US dollar account, you avoid paying multiple conversion fees and you're not at the mercy of fluctuating exchange rates. So, how do you actually do this? For a TD Canadian account, you can typically deposit the USD cash at any TD branch. For the TD US dollar account, it's the same. Just go to a TD branch and deposit the cash directly into that specific account. You can also transfer money electronically between your Canadian and US dollar TD accounts through EasyWeb Online Banking or the TD app. This is a super handy feature if you have a digital balance you want to move. Remember, the right choice depends on what you plan to do with the money. If you need Canadian dollars right away, a direct deposit and conversion might be the most straightforward. But if you have future plans for that US currency, opening a TD US dollar account is a smart move that could save you a lot of money in the long run. Ultimately, whether you're converting it or holding onto it, TD provides a clear path for depositing your USD. The power is in knowing your options and choosing the one that best suits your financial goals.